If you want to print a ChatGPT conversation, there are a few simple ways to do it, depending on whether you just want one chat or your full conversation history. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest methods step by step, so you can print exactly what you need without getting lost in the settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's start with the quickest option, printing a single conversation. This is the best method if you only want to print the chat you're currently viewing. First, open the ChatGPT conversation you want to print in your browser. Once the conversation is open, press Ctrl and P on Windows or Command and P on Mac. This opens your print menu right away. From here, look for the destination setting. If you want a physical copy, choose your printer from the list. If you want to save it digitally first, select Save as PDF. That's a great option if you want to keep a backup before printing. After that, review the layout and settings to make sure everything looks right. Then click Print or Save. And just like that, your conversation is ready. Now let's move on to the second method, which is exporting all of your conversations. This is the better option if you want a complete record of your ChatGPT history. To do that, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the ChatGPT screen. Then click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find Data Controls in the sidebar. Once you're there, click Export next to the Export Data section. A confirmation window will appear, and you'll need to click Confirm Export. After that, OpenAI will send an email to your account with a download link. Open the email, click the link, and download the zip file. Once the file finishes downloading, extract it on your computer and open the chat.html file inside. From there, you can print that page normally using Ctrl and P on Windows or Command and P on Mac. This method is especially useful if you want a permanent archive of your conversations. There's also a third method if you want a cleaner, more polished printout. Standard browser printing sometimes includes extra interface elements like sidebars or buttons, which may not look great on paper or in a PDF. In that case, you can use a browser extension designed for exporting ChatGPT chats. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for extensions like ChatGPT Exporter or ChatGPT to PDF. Once you find one you trust, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. After the extension is installed, go back to your ChatGPT conversation. You should now see a new Export or PDF button near the chat input area or inside the extension menu. Click it, choose PDF, and then print or save the file. This is a really helpful option if you want a clean layout that's easier to read and share. So to recap, if you only need one conversation, use the browser print shortcut. If you want everything, use ChatGPT's Export Data feature. And if you want a cleaner output, use a trusted browser extension. Each method works well, so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.